Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Okay, so today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic acid rain. Very important topic. You can use this for demonstration also. And okay, so this is for class 8. The same topic is there in 11th class also, 12th class also. But this is for class 8. Okay. So now previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge, we always have to mention here what students are already aware of. So they are aware of pollution like air pollution, water pollution. Okay. After this, here you can see general aim. Here you can see to let them know what is acid rain, to let them know how harmful is pollution for us. Okay, second is specific objectives to enable them to understand what is acid rain and how much destructful is water pollution for us. Teaching aids, here you can see chalk, duster, flex chart. So whatever teaching aid we are going to use while we are teaching to students, we have to mention all that things. Okay, here you can see I have added 5 question I have added here. So this is introduction question. Have you ever seen Taj Mahal? We have to ask this question to students that have you ever seen Taj Mahal? Then student will answer yes or no, whatever their answer would be. Then we have to ask how is it made up? Then student will answer it is made up of white marble. Third question we will have to ask is what is the color of marble that is used for it? Then teacher will answer, student will answer it is of white color. But the color of Taj Mahal has faded now. Do you know reason for this discoloration? Student will answer no, we do not know about that. Have you heard about acid rain? That is the main reason behind this. That would be problematic. Okay. Here you can see objectives and specification. Here you can see class, subject. Okay. After that we have to announce our topic, that is called as statement of aim. So we have to announce our topic. Today I am going to teach you topic acid rain. Here you can see topic acid rain. Now let's turn on the page and here you can see presentation 1. You can see all the content. Okay. Now after explaining them properly, we have to also ask a question related to that. Here you can see what is the reason of discoloration of Taj Mahal, and here are the expected answer. What is acid rain? Here is the answer that we expect from students. What is marble cancer? Here you can see answer. Okay. So here you can see skill. So after explaining them properly, we have to use some teaching aid to teach them again with the help of like we can say model or whatever teaching aid we have to explain with that also. Okay. Here student observing chart or model, whatever teaching aid we have. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay. Okay. Now presentation 2. Here you can see prevention. We have to tell them how we can prevent from this. Okay. Here is the content. Here is the question 1. What the code taken steps for prevention? How Mathura refinery is what is this reason behind pollution? And here is the expected answer. Okay. Here you can see blackboard work. I hope it is clearly visible. If you're in the PDF, then please do comment me. Okay. Here is the rest part of the presentation too. Here is third question, whether this acid rain affects the soil and plants also. Here is the answer. Okay. After explaining them, we also have to explain them with chart or model. Okay. Students observing the chart. Here is our blackboard work. And here we have to write chart or model. Okay. Here recapitulation. So for that I have added here you can see 4 questions. What is acid rain? What is marble cancer? How industries contributes to acid rainfall? Describe the steps taken by Supreme Court for prevention of Taj. And here is the expected answer. Now this is the last page, application and evaluation. So for that we have to give fill in the blanks. Here I have added 4 fill in the blanks. The acid rain that contain acid is known as Dash is the reason for discoloration of Taj Mahal. Suspended matter like dash emitted by dash has contributed to a dash of marble. Court has ordered to switch to fuels like dash and dash. Here is home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher have to give home assignment on rolling board. Okay. Okay. So this was my lesson plan on the topic acid rain. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more BA related video. We will meet in next video with another BA related topic. Till then, bye and take care.